How do you view archived orders on the Amazon app? The short answer is you can't, but then again, you actually can, because I created a link that will take you to archived orders. It will take you to there in Safari, and it may just automatically open the app, or you can click this blue button here. The link is in the description or the top comment or the pinned comment down below. And if you open it in the app, it'll look even better than on the Safari view. And so you'll see here, you'll see your archived orders as you scroll down here. You can get there if you open up Amazon in desktop view on your Safari or whatever browser you're using. And then, you have to open it in desktop view, just like this. So it's going to look really small. You can go into your account and then go to account. And it should be one of these buttons, because on desktop, it's this button right here. And so that short link or shortcut that I put in the description will just take you right there. You don't have to go to your browser, open in desktop mode, and then find it here and then open this in your app. But you can view your archived orders in the app. You can also view them here in desktop mode, because I think on the app, let's go take a look. I know I have some of this hidden, but yeah, it would just take me to this order, which wouldn't actually allow me to unarchive it. So if there's anything you want to unarchive, you would have to do it in that desktop view over here in Safari or Chrome or whatever browser you're using. And if you view the archived orders there, which I'm on two different accounts, that's why I don't have any on this one, but that's where you could actually click the unarchive button if you want to. Either way, it's kind of tough to view archived orders. There's not a direct link from the app itself, only from the desktop view of Amazon. So if you want, there's the link in the description is an affiliate link. So if that provides you value to click through and go straight to your archived orders, you can do that, and it helps support the channel. Or you can kind of do the navigation in the desktop view. If you're on iPhone, doing desktop view, you would click on this little item up here, and then we're going to go to the three dots down here, and then you should see instead of request mobile website, you'll see request desktop website, and that's how you can get the desktop view of Amazon. And that's how you can view your archived orders on the Amazon app.